Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing RJ. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a bump up and a larger one next to it on the right side. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then another set of bumps down underneath. And then one more, curving it inwards. And then to close off the bottom of the head, let's draw a curve across. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the ears. We'll start with two small curves out and curve it down underneath. Now that we're done the shape of the head, we can move in and draw the face. Let's start inside and let's draw a small curve across and a V shape underneath for the nose. And then color it in black. Then for the mouth, let's draw a small line down underneath and curve it out on both sides. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyes with two sideways ovals. And color them both in black. Then on top, let's draw two curves downwards for the eyebrows. And that's it for the head. Now underneath, let's draw the body. Let's start under on the left and let's draw a curve down. And then let's angle it back up to the right side. Now on both sides, let's draw a bump down. And then hop in on the right and let's draw two curves meeting at a point at the bottom. Now let's continue the body by drawing another set of bumps down from the sides, a smaller one underneath, and then one more larger one bringing it in. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across in the center. Now underneath on both sides, let's bring it down and curve it in. Then let's draw a longer line down in the center and curve it out and up for the feet. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move in and let's draw the arms. In the middle, let's draw two curves that are touching in the center. Then on top, let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. Now let's hop down and let's draw two angles in. And then from the bottom, let's angle it out and up, and the same on the right side. And then two more bumps up on both sides to finish off the arms. And that's it for RJ. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!